Stop acting like a man's girlfriend before he actually makes you his girlfriend. Stop cooking for him, going to his house, cleaning up his place, rearranging everything, taking care of him when he's got a cold, checking up on him all the time, being constantly available for him, for phone calls, for texts, to see him, to sleep with him. All of those things are benefits that he should be getting only once he has committed to you. If a man is not committed to you, if you're not even sure about where you stand with him, and you're not sure that he's 100% crazy about you and he's devoted to you, then he is not going to see you as a high value woman that is worth investing in. He's not going to take the relationship to the next level. He's always going to undervalue you, because you're giving him these things before he's given you what a woman needs most of all, and that is the feeling of safety, the feeling of commitment from a man, because you know that he's not going to go anywhere when he's committed to you. And that is what you as a woman want most of all. So if a man hasn't given that to you, don't give him those benefits. Don't act like his girlfriend. Don't be so available. Go out, date other people. Live your own life. Don't make your life revolve around this man, because it is just not fair to you. So wait for him to commit to you 100%.